Becoming a partner. So to become a partner on Zenler, you can find the Become a Partner badge everywhere. So you can find it on the dashboard, you can find it under all of the menu systems, and you'll find it on the left hand side down the bottom. It says Become a Partner. Now to become a partner, it's very easy. You can click this and it will take you through to the partner dashboard. And all you need to do is agree to the terms and click Join the new Zenler Partner program. As soon as you do this, you will then have a link to be able to generate 40% of referrals upgrades to Pro or Premium. Automatically, it will take Tier 2 5% of whatever those referrals upgrade. Let's click and join the new Zenler Partner program. Click here. And straight away, congratulations. Welcome to the new Zenler Partner program. Click OK. And now you are in the Zenler Partner program and you will be able to make money through referrals. We will look at the various sections of the partner program in the support docs that are associated with partner program.